everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, we are going to be learning how to download KuCoin application on your mobile device. So let's get started. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. After you do that, open up your Google Play Store or your App Store. In the search bar, type in KuCoin. From the search result, look for the KuCoin Buy Bitcoin and Crypto application and tap on the install or the cloud icon right next to it. Wait for the application to install, which may take a few minutes. After you do that, click on the Open button to open the app. And there you have successfully downloaded the KuCoin application on your mobile device. You can now go ahead and sign up for a new account or log into an existing one and get ready to explore crypto trading anytime, anywhere. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.